English Starter Course. Unit 2, Phonics. Lesson 5. Blending Sounds. Hello everyone, and welcome back to StepUp English. In today's lesson, we will learn about blending sounds. Blending means putting sounds together to make a word. Instead of saying each sound separately, we join them smoothly. Let's practice together. Blend 1. Listen carefully. Cat. Now blend the sounds together. Cat. Let's try again. Cat. Cat. Excellent. Blend 2. Listen carefully. Oak. Blend the sounds. Dog. Let's repeat. Oak. Dog. Very good. Blend 3. Listen carefully. Spoon. Blend the sounds. Sun. Let's say it again. Spoon. Sun. Wonderful. Blend 4. Listen carefully. Bed. Blend the sounds. Bed. Let's repeat. Bed. Bed. Great job. Blend 5. Listen carefully. Isa. Blend the sounds. Fish. Can you hear the word? Fish. Excellent. Blend 6. Listen carefully. Mka. Blend the sounds. Map. Let's say it together. Map. Map. Fantastic. Let's practice. Listen to the sounds and guess the word. Coop. What word is it? Cup. Hitat. What word is it? Hat. Oak. What word is it? Book. Rat. What word is it? Rat. Kitten. What word is it? Pen. Fantastic. Let's review. Cat cat. Dog dog. Sun sun. Bid bed. Fecy fish. Map map. When we join sounds together, we can read words. Challenge time. Can you blend these sounds by yourself? Ruin. Bag. Deten. Up. Say each sound slowly. Then blend them into one word. Great work! Blending sounds is one of the most important reading skills. The more you practice blending, the easier reading English becomes. Practice a little every day and you'll become a better reader. Thank you for watching StepUp English. In the next lesson, we will learn about segmenting sounds and continue improving our phonics skills. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.